Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of: is it really worth your time and money, or just another overhyped AI tool? I've personally tested it, explored all the features, the pros, the cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether or not it's the right fit for you. So stick around, you definitely don't want to miss this one. And if you want to know more about the product, or grab any special bonuses, check the link in the description below. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. Step number 1. Choose a niche. You will have the option to choose from our 175 plus sizzling hot niches. Or you can add a new niche. It's up to you. Step number 2. Activate. From creating and optimizing the site for you, to driving thousands upon thousands of clicks for 100% free. Love it or get a refund and keep it 100% free plus $250 cash. Billy Dar. Date, June 27, 2025. From the desk of internet entrepreneur Billy Dar. 2. The next successful beginner. Location, London, UK. Partner with Jeff and take a slice of his $4,722 per second pie. Dear friend, Jeff Bezos wants to help you. One of the world's richest men wants to help you make money. Is he doing it out of the kindness of his heart? I don't know and I don't care. All I care about is that the $200 billion man created something that makes us money every single day, without doing any work. Money like this change can turn thousands of lives around. You already know that, right? I mean, the dude owns yachts around the world, and has more money than entire countries. Just a fraction of what he makes in a day can change thousands of lives. That's how big Jeff Bezos really is on the planet. Unless you are living under a rock, deep in the Sahara Desert, you already know of Amazon. Chances are, you used Amazon in the past 30 days to order something of every day. Yes, $17 million an hour. Crazy, right? But it's true. Every single hour, Amazon makes $17 million. Most of us will live our entire lives without even making 1% of that. And they generate it in just 1 hour. Amazon. That's the million-dollar question. I mean, even if Amazon makes millions per hour, how can that benefit us? That's what kept me up all night for months. How can a regular guy like me, who doesn't have much experience or resources, benefit from that? Is not easy. Some gurus praise Amazon's FBA program, which sounds cool and all. But what they don't tell you is that it costs tens of thousands of dollars just to get started. Because you need to buy hundreds of products and ship it all the way from China to Amazon's warehouses. That's not my words. That's what people who tried it are saying. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.